Okay, now we got a very good question, and actually the question is what to do if we are stuck in IELTS speaking. You're answering a question or you try to answer and suddenly you are blank, you don't know what to do. Let me tell you, in that situation, examiner will not wait for you. Examiner will not say, okay, take your time. No, it's not that. The time when you are stuck, you will be asked another question. Right now, you'll be thinking, will there be any negative band score or anything like that? Yes, there may be. Now, the thing is, sometimes we make our answers overly complicated. How? We start with some detail which even you don't add, your answer is fine. So, my answer is, you should simplify your answers. Don't go into a complicated situation and then you, go on and on and on. If they ask you any question, by the way, for one question, there can be 10 different answers, one thing. Second, examiner doesn't know what your answer is. So the first thing is, don't go into a situation where you are stuck. How to avoid that situation? Number one, answer the question directly. When you answer the question directly, you are giving yourself a message that I have understood the question. For instance, if they ask you a question, do you celebrate New Year? Right? And you start, New Years are very important. Whenever there is a New Year, lot of people do this and there and what's the question? Do you celebrate New Year? So answer should start with direct answer. For example, do you start New Year? Well, no, I usually don't celebrate New Year. Now you have answered the question. When you say this, then your brain will understand this is the question. Now you need to come up with the reasons. And a couple of reasons given, they are fine. So the first thing is sometimes you know what happens? I conduct speaking mock tests. I ask a question, and what do the candidates do after answering the question? 2-3 sentences. They ask me, sir, what was the question? See that? This happens. They answer after 2-3 sentences and say, what was the question? So that is why it's a very good idea to answer the question directly. When examiner is asking the question, look at the face of the examiner, right? Just friendly look, okay? And then whatever examiner is speaking, try to visualize that. If they say, like, what is your favorite color? Just think about colors and answer the question, my favorite color is red. And then go on. Why you like red color, what are the reasons, right? And even if you are stuck, don't panic. Just repeat what you said using the different words and finish your answer there, right? Complete your answer and finish it there. So there is no problem in that.